love these mirrors. I had them sitting around, and so, you know, I figured I might as well try them, but with where my reservoirs are, it just kind of looks weird. It like kind of hits them a little bit. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't know. They're functional. That's obviously an important part, but yeah, they kind of clash with my reservoirs. I don't know if I like that.
What does this button do?
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be installing new fork gators, and then I'm going to be painting and reinstalling the front fender. I'm also going to probably have to do a little bit of TLC with the forks. We'll just have to see as we tear it apart. So stay tuned. Cheers. Alright, we're going to try these mirrors out too. Rectangle or circular? I don't know. I think I'm going to go with these. They sit a little bit lower, which I like. Okay, if you can believe it, this is a 13. Why? Why? I have no idea. Wow, we finally broke that loose. That thing was so tight.
That's what she said.
I had to go buy the, whatever you call this, like hex socket kit. Yeah, those triple tree pinch bolts were tight. So I'm taking off this front fender and they're literally finger tight. That's kind of scary. So whoever put this on last did not tighten them down all the way. Also, I should have taken this off before I took the forks off, but here we are. Okay, we're gonna just brush the fork down. I've got some vinegar here. I've got a brass brush, and we're just gonna buff out all these rough spots, and it makes pretty quick work. It's really impressive. Love the fork gators, so I got these new ones that are a little shorter. That will actually let me lower the front end as well. So we're gonna try these out and see how it looks. So stay tuned. Wow, heating that up made that so much easier.
That's what she said.
I think these fork gators look way better, so I'm definitely going to be sticking with these. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the larger, longer ones, or if you like these more. Alright, that's going to do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for, again, more videos on this Nighthawk, baby. And if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.